In a previous video, we looked at how Asana works on iOS on an iPhone, and now I want to have a look at how it looks on an iPad. So I've downloaded the Asana app from the App Store. This time I'm here on my iPad, and I've just gone ahead and logged in. And this is the screen I'm now facing. So I'm looking at my iPad on a side view. I think this is typically how you'd be using it if you're working in a coffee shop or something like this. So this is kind of the lay of the land in the home, showing me my recent tasks that I've looked at, my projects, other tasks that I might have been working on, comments mentioning me, teams, and projects. And this is very similar to what we looked at in the previous video. Now, it looks a little annoying right now because we have a lot of our screen not in use, but the minute that I click on a task, it opens up the right pane here, and then it becomes a lot more useful, and then it's always staying here with something in the right pane, unless I'm negotiating between different teams, which I can do if I click on my profile. Then just like usual, as if I was on the computer, I can change between different organizations. So I could go into our Cookie Land marketing team. And then if I would go to my home, again, you see there's nothing here on the right-hand side. That's just because I haven't clicked yet into a task. So I'm going to go back into my test workspace, back into my home. And again, you see nothing here on the right pane until I click on a task. So I think that's pretty self-explanatory. I think I don't need to go into all the different sections that we see here on the home because we did do that in the previous video. Just want to kind of give you a little lay of the land here. So here's my tasks. In my view, this isn't the most optimal design because you see here at the very top, there's these 3 dots up here where I can change my view. That just seems a little bit annoying. And I really don't like looking at my tasks in this view on the iPad. So I definitely would click the middle 3 dots. You see how there's the top 3 dots, a middle 3 dots, and a one underneath. So the middle 3 dots, and you could change that and maybe look at this in a board view.